You know, when we talk about the relationship with the food, first of all, we need to understand food is a kind of building block for our cellular or operational existence. So we make new cells with the ingredients coming from the food. We do create energy for survival using the food. So getting nurtured, getting right stuff in, not toxic stuff in, then we can have a healthy body and we can have a full functionality, full energy, etc. So, you know, when you talk about detox, detox is not a diet, it's not a nurturing, it's a cleansing process. So as long as you know that you are cleaning yourself, you are doing something which will open the way for healthy living, and then you go into the right type of nurturing for building up good cells, high energy, full functionality, etc., with your choices of the food. So the food is a very important element. It has to, you know, when we look to the food, we need to understand food is not indulgence. Food is not a kind of mental happiness. It is a relation. Human being has a relation, definite relation, that food is a necessary element for survival. But on the top of that, if you can put it in a manner where it tastes good, where you feel comfortable eating it, that's on the top of that, it's a good thing. But if you don't, get in the right stuff, you just focus on the comfort, you just focus on the taste, then you build up a kind of toxicity, most likely, but also you will have a deficiency, which means you don't have the right stuff in your body. So toxemia, toxicity, deficiency, lack of good stuff in your body, very often coming from food which is not part of the nature. It is processed and it is one or other way manipulated, either for long shelf time or better profits or some taste cheating purpose, etc., that will end up with a kind of load, toxic load and deficiency for our, say, well-being. So focus to the nature, eat natural, just real food, avoid food-like things, processed things as much as possible. At least have 80-20 ratio. So 80% you are on the clean side, 20% you are indulging knowingly. So that's very important that you know what you are eating. And also when you talk developing a relation with the food is like you have to chew, you have to feel the taste, you have to feel the consistency, you have to feel parts, bits and pieces of the food. So you really get a 100% say strong relation with the food. If you don't do that, then you're somewhere, your brain is somewhere else, your taste is somewhere else, and you are just filling yourself without any connection.